Welcome to another episode of This Is Anything Goes, and today I'm going to be cleaning the interior of the Proton Inspira. As some of you all might have already known that this car was actually involved in an accident recently, and let's just say the interior is very bad because what happened was my wife had a cup of tea here with a lot of milk, and when the accident happened you can see that the tea splashed all over the place, including here, which is very bad and smelly. Whew. Okay, I'm getting out of here first. Okay, and it has been left here to dry for the last 1.5 months while it was in the workshop, so it smells really bad. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the front seats, the center console, the side panels here, and the main carpet to wash. Not just the small carpet, but the main carpet as well. Alright, so well, okay, removing most of the interior. You can see how bad it is over here. Some breadcrumbs. Overall, not too bad on that side. So what we'll do now is we'll give it a quick vacuum, and then we'll see how it goes. Okay, after a quick vacuum, everything seems proper, but the smell, the smell on this side is horrible. Whew. Okay, so we'll remove the carpet and see what's underneath there. Okay, now that we've gotten most of the interior parts out, what we'll be doing is we'll be washing the carpets as well as this one, and then we'll give all the interior plastic trims a quick wipe. So there's quite a number of plastic trims here. Okay, so let's get to it. the carpet has already been cleaned and I'm just leaving it here to dry, probably overnight or probably in 2 days time. So right now, even if you put your nose to it, you won't really smell any milk stains or teh tarik smell. Okay, so this is day 3. So day 1 we washed it, let it dry, smell still there. Day 2 we use this tough stuff. It improved a bit, but there is still a very subtle protein milk, sour milk smell to it. So overnight we have put the baking soda. Let's vacuum it up and see how it smells. Smell seems to be gone, but we'll wait for 2 hours and see how it goes. Okay, so for the interior here, I have given it a quick clean up on the wires, thrown out some useless wire that I have left over the years, and then give it a quick wipe, make sure there's no tea stains leftovers, and yeah, I'm gonna just give it a quick vacuum right now, and then we'll put the main carpet back in. Okay, so the interior has already been cleaned. You can see that the bits and pieces have already been removed, cleaned and assembled back. The carpets, oh yeah, the carpet has been excellent. Okay, so the carpet was a bit difficult. The rest over here and here and here, as you can see in the video earlier, all I did was just take out the entire carpet, put soap, put water, wash, then extract. But this part, the driver part, this was interesting. The sour milk smell from the teh tarik that my wife poured over here during the accident was difficult to come out. Now, from the time I took this carpet out until today, when I assemble it back, it has been 1 week. 1 whole week. Reason being is after I did the washing, extracting, and I let it dry under the sun, and I fan dry it as well during the night time. After 2 days, the smell was still there. The smell was still there. So, like any good Googler did, I went online. They said put baking soda over that spot for a whole night. Did that, no improvement. Then I went to a Facebook group full of mothers. Alright, for mothers. Okay, and they gave me a suggestion. They asked me to use 2 things. So I did. So the first thing I used was this Febreze extra strength. Now that was good. This was good. Alright, I sprayed 2 times. That means I sprayed 1 time, left it overnight, spray again the second time. Done. The smell was so little left. Then the next suggestion was actually to use this liquid cleanser. This is specifically meant for feeding bottles, baby feeding bottles which has milk. Now if you are a parent, you will know your baby's bottle will have a kind of sour milk smell after a while, and you use something like this to clean it. So I use this, I put it into the extractor, shoot it in, let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, then extract it out. No smell left. No smell left, I tell you, no smell. Okay, so I guess this is the end of the video. If you have managed to sit through the entire video till the end, I congratulate you. I hope you're subscribed. If you have not, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell button, hit the like button. If you hit this, the dislike, do leave us a comment down below on what you want to see us improve, alright? Now, I'm not putting the seats back in first because I want to restore the leather seats first. So that will be another video. So till then, I will see you again.